Is it safe to boil vacuum-sealed bags?
Welcome to today's video. In this video, we'll be discussing if it's safe to boil vacuum-sealed bags. Let's dive right in.
What are vacuum-sealed bags?
Vacuum-sealed bags are plastic bags that have had the air removed to create an airtight environment for storing food. They help preserve freshness and extend the shelf life of various food items. Vacuum sealing can be used for meats, vegetables, fruits, and more.
Can you boil vacuum-sealed bags?
The short answer is yes, you can boil vacuum-sealed bags. However, not all vacuum-sealed bags are made equal. It's important to make sure you're using bags specifically designed for boiling or sous vide cooking. Why should you use bags designed for boiling? Using bags specifically designed for boiling ensures that they are made of high-quality, food-safe materials that can withstand high temperatures. Additionally, these bags will not release any harmful chemicals or toxins when heated.
What is sous vide cooking?
Sous vide cooking is a method where food is placed in a vacuum-sealed bag and then submerged in a water bath at a precise and consistent temperature. This method is known for its ability to cook food evenly and retain its moisture, resulting in delicious and tender meals. Boiling vacuum-sealed bags is a part of sous vide cooking.
What are the benefits of boiling vacuum-sealed bags?
There are several benefits to boiling vacuum-sealed bags, such as 1. Even cooking. The food is cooked uniformly, preventing overcooked or undercooked areas. 2. Moisture retention. Vacuum-sealed bags help lock in the food's natural juices, keeping it moist and flavorful. 3. Less mess. Boiling vacuum-sealed bags reduces the need for pots and pans, making cleanup easier.
Precautions when boiling vacuum-sealed bags.
To ensure a safe cooking experience, keep the following precautions in mind. 1. Use the right bags. Make sure to use bags designed for boiling or sous vide cooking. 2. Check for leaks. Inspect the vacuum-sealed bags for any leaks or damage before use. 3. Avoid overcrowding. Give each bag enough space in the water bath to ensure proper heat circulation. In conclusion, boiling vacuum-sealed bags is safe, as long as you use the right bags and follow proper precautions. This method can help you achieve evenly cooked, moist, and delicious meals with minimal cleanup. Happy cooking!